gentlemen have a need for speed. The government likes to regulate this need. They decided forcefully to have brake lights that work. As you can see here, this one's doing great. This one is not. We've been here, so I'm gonna worry about this. Alright, first fucking thing you're gonna do is remove these bolts. You're gonna remove, not bolts, these little fucking plastic things. That one, this one, and that one. It looks like some schmuck decided to throw it back in without doing that last time. So, nice to know that these have already been repaired. Taking a screwdriver and kind of prying it from there very gently, because these will break because they're just pieces of plastic. They come out very easily. These two bolts, keep calling them bolts, until we see these. I'm gonna take this one off and that one off. 10mm. Pushing this stupid fucking thing just cause. Pull it out this way, not that way. Or you could trip it and then the whole thing's screwed and you have to buy a whole new one. Okay, so this does not want to come undone, so I'm just going to undo the screws here and just leave this attached. But all the screws are like there and throughout this casing. Just want to remove all those. Wonderful, came right off. 4 screws. Brake light is this. Oh, it's disconnected. I can see it. It's a good thing that it's disconnected. That means there's nothing wrong. Well, there probably isn't something wrong with the signal that's being sent to the brake light. You can't even see me. Oh, you can probably see me. Do you like my hat? Try not to touch the other bulbs. Oh, there we go. There it is. Yay. Really careful not to touch the other lights. I heard that fucks up the performance of them. This is what you're gonna need. Shit is crazy. Yeah, buddy. Look at him go. Oh, I can see it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I just got to put it back together without breaking it. Just do all the steps that we just did in reverse. Then drink another energy drink because my heart is of no value to me. Ah. Brand new screwdriver, tastes delicious. I do like though that they're very handy. Reinstallation, let's line everything up and just push in this way, not hard, very gently. Oh, ah, there we go, okay. So I lost both of the bolts. No, I'm playing. I didn't lose both the bolts. That does seem like some shit I do though. Everybody, this is it. Did it work? Did it not work? Am I valuable as a man on this earth? The answers are interlinked. I don't even drink anymore. Look at this shit. It's got a bottle opener built into it. One thing that I love, and that's functionality. I fixed the wrong brake light. Which is weird though, because I definitely saw that one little piece was broken, so. And look, you're supposed to replace both of them, because if one goes, then that means that the other one's very close to going, okay, well, I'm just gonna do everything I just did on the other one. And then I'll test to make sure everything works. I did read that if I do one, I should do the other one, so it wasn't complete waste of time. I probably would have had to do the other one within a month or 2. It's so funny, oh my God.
Sun and its clouds, I am ready.
I hope you enjoyed that time lapse. I know I'm going to. All the parts to the stereo and speakers that I ripped out of the Jeep. Just kind of sitting there. Kind of like me. Just kind of sitting here in this car with you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you know, give me a call if you ever need your 2014 Nissan Versa's brake lights fixed, because low key, if you told me to do any other car ever, I have no fucking clue how to do it. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.